beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's KJ Beauty, and so today I'm doing a update video on this hair. And from the last one I didn't get to do an update, but for this one, since a lot of you had questions and how it holds and stuff like that, so I decided to make a video about it. And this hair is about 3.5 weeks old, maybe more, and and it's about to come out, you know, like probably by next week. Probably look a mess right now because I didn't mind to style it or anything like that. First off, I must say I have been loving this color, and even though it's 3 weeks old and the curls still stays nicely, I mean the curl still looks nice, and like as you guys can probably see, it has some frizz in it. But even though it has the frizz, it makes it look even a little bit even more natural. Everyone has been loving it, and they want to know what kind of hair is it and what kind of hairstyle is it. So one question that I get a lot is about the rubber band and breakage. So the first time I did the style, when I took it out, there were no breakage whatsoever. I mean, do have hair that do fall out whenever you naturally braid your hair and leave it in for a long period of time. But if referring to the rubber band, the breakage I had was not due to rubber band. It was just my natural breakage that I usually have whenever I braid my hair. So I didn't have no problem with the rubber band. That's why I decided to do the second hairstyle using the rubber band method. But I also did the cornrow methods for you guys who just don't want to use the rubber band. I mean, if you have thin hair, then rubber band is not the perfect method. Hence why I did the previous video on this hair where I also did the cornrow method for you guys who have thin hair, because rubber band wouldn't be the best method for you. Because your hair will fall out. But because my hair is a bit stronger, I had no problem with the rubber band breaking my hair whatsoever. And I also did not do it tight or anything like that. Like, my edges are fine, as you guys can see. Like, I have to style it and everything, but my edges are fine, they're not breaking. And like, as you can see, the rubber band is kind of pulling off from my roots, so it is not breaking my hair or anything like that. So I had no problem with the rubber band on that end. Another problem that I have with, well, it's not with the hair, but it's my hair, my head, my scalp. I do have a lot of dandruff. So because of the dandruff, I cannot wear a hairstyle for longer than 3 weeks because it just gets ugly. As you guys, like, my dandruff are horrible. But I wanted to show you guys how I keep it for a bit longer. If I want to keep my hair longer, how I manage it. I don't know if you guys can see right now. Like, dandruff is real. And no, it's not because of the hair that I have dandruff. I naturally have dandruff. It is something that I have. It doesn't matter what hairstyle that I do. I can't keep it in for long because dandruff is rude. It's rude, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how if I want to keep my style, my hairstyle in for a bit longer, if I want it to last. And if you have dandruff like me, I just want to show you guys a tip that can help you keep your hair in for longer and fight off those rude ass dandruffs. Okay, so what other questions I had about the hair? For this hair, I did not wash it prior to installing it because I don't feel like it needed to get washed. I mean, if I wash it, I feel like it's gonna ruin the curl pattern and it won't be as neat anymore. So yeah, I didn't wash the hair. For the hairstyle, it took me about 2.5 hours, maybe 3, like if I stop. But if you feel like you don't want to take that long, I would suggest that you put your hair in rubber band first. Like, do the rubber band like the day prior, and maybe the next day you can just install the hair. Maybe that may be easier. Just, you know, cut the process into 2. All you're gonna need is makeup remover wipes. So this one is the one I'm gonna be using. Any type of makeup remover wipes is fine. So I'm just gonna go throughout the hair. Like, you might not be able to see it that much, but it's bad, y'all. Like, the dandruff is really bad. My hair is cut, like, yeah, as you guys can see, dandruff is real. Dandruff is real. Like, yes, y'all. And a lot of you had questions about the rubber band showing. I mean, it's called the rubber band method. It's gonna show. It's gonna show, especially if you're using a lighter color. If it's not black, it will show. It's just, you just can't skip that. If you don't want your rubber band to show, I suggest you do the cornrow method. But if you want to do the rubber band, it will show. I mean, it's not a problem. It comes with the style, I guess. So it's called the rubber band method. It will show. So to start, I'm just gonna take the wipes and I'm just gonna go throughout my scalp and I'm just gonna rub it in like this. And I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is and how it takes off my dandruff. Like, can you guys see this right here? I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this off. So as you guys can see, it looks ew, it looks disgusting. Watch this real quick. Look how disgusting this looks, y'all. How disgusting does this look? Ew. Okay, so let's just go ahead and clean this. Ew, y'all. Ew, this looks so bad. And look how clean it gets after this. So guys, if you don't want to wash your box braids, if you don't want to wash your braids, this is literally, look how clean it is now. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go in with my olive oil sheen spray just gonna moisturize my scalp. I mean, I usually use the castor oil, but it depends. And that's it, guys. This is it. Scalp looks moisturized and everything, and yeah. Leave a comment down below if you guys would like me to do any other hairstyle, and I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Thank you so much for all of you that are subscribing, and if you're watching this video you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join the beauty gang, and I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye.